Good day mga guys. Ngayon ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano i-connect ang YouTube channel with Google AdSense account December 2, 2020. Kaya ka-apply ko lang guys at na-monetize na ako. Kaya ituturo ko sa inyo step by step. NetSEO TV. Guys, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na to, i-like na, i-subscribe at i-click na rin ang notification bell para updated ka sa mga bagong uploads ko. Noong November 29, 2020, bumisita ako sa Google Chrome ko. Nakita ko ang Apply Now kasi na-comply ko na ang requirements ni Google, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours. Nang click ko naman si Gmail, wala naman akong nakitang email mula kay YouTube kaya hindi ko muna click si Apply Now. Ayan mga guys, December 1, 2020, nakatanggap ako ng email kay YouTube. Apply na daw ako, kaya saka ko binalikan si Apply Now. Tara, simulan na natin kung paano ang mag-apply. I-click si Google Chrome. Next, dadalhin ka niya sa YouTube site. Next, tingnan mo ang tatlong dot sa right side. Yan, makikita mo kung ano ang lalabas. Now, click the desktop site. Ayan, nakakulay blue na siya. Naka-desktop site na ang mobile phone ko. Ay, nakalimutan ko pala sabihin na mobile phone ang ginagamit ko. Samsung A71. Ayan mga guys, naka-desktop site na. Ngayon, i-click nyo ang profile picture nyo. After nyo mag-click ang profile picture nyo, yan na ang lalabas at makikita nyo ang YouTube Studio. After mag-click nyo ang YouTube Studio, ito ang lalabas. Diyan sa left side mga guys, scroll up nyo lang yan siya hanggang sa makita nyo ang sign na dollar. Pagkatapos maklik ang dollar sign, ito na yan guys ang makikita nyo, ang Apply Now. Ngayon mga guys, bago nyo i-click ang Apply Now, mas maigi na basahin muna ang YouTube monetization policies. Mas maganda na rin na may alam tayo sa mga policy ni YouTube. After na maklik ang Apply Now, may makikita kang tatlong 3 steps. Step 1, Step 2, and Step 3. Sa Step 1, i-click mo yung Start. So you need to accept the terms and condition. So you need to check this. Click this to proceed to step 2. Step 2, you need to click the start, which is to sign Google AdSense account. Start it. This step will redirect to your AdSense account. So select. After you click the select, then you can see the yes and no existing account. The first one is if you have an pre-existing account, like you have already Google AdSense account, you can add to this with your YouTube channel with that account and make money easily, and you don't have to go to process of getting your PIN that takes for a month or 3 months. If you have a Google AdSense account already made, then just click yes. I have an existing one, and you can connect that to that one. But if you don't have, just click no. I don't have an existing account. In that way, you go to the process of creating a Google AdSense account. So click to continue. Here you will be directed to your Google email that connect, or you write your email you want an AdSense to be connected to your YouTube channel. After you write your Google email, then you can see this, guys. Then you check the yes, send me customized help and performance suggestion. Then you can also scroll down and then you can select your country or territory. Ako kasi Philippines ang pinili ko kasi taga Philippines ako. At although na nandito ako sa Hong Kong kasi balang araw uwi din ako. Click nyo lang yung yes to accept the agreement. And then click the create account. After you click the create account, then ito na makikita nyo, guys. You just click the get started. After you get started, guys, mababasa nyo dito payment address details. It says to make sure you get paid YouTube channel, please provide your address. We need this to send you important information about your account. Ibig sabihin, guys, dapat tama ang lahat na maisusulat mo dito. Ngayon, magsimula tayo. Dito sa account type, may dalawa yan dyan, individual at saka business. So, ako pinili ko individual kasi hindi naman ako business. I'm just doing my personal blog, so individual. Tapos, yung name and address nyo, yung real name nyo. Ayan, guys, yung complete address nyo. Nagkalimutan yung city, yung postal code, at saka province. And then, ang telephone number sa Pilipinas kung saan yung address nyo. Sa akin kasi Philippines, kaya nilagyan ko ng country code plus 63, then mobile number. Pagkatapos nyo, guys, ma-fill up lahat at saka na-review nyo na siya, lahat ay tama, then i-click nyo lang sa baba ang submit. Then click redirect. And you can see this page. Ayan, guys, ay balikan nyo ang channel monetization. Nakita nyo ang step 1, naging green na siya, done. Ang step 2, in progress. Ang step 3, get reviewed. So, nasabi kanina na magantay pa tayo ng within 2 days or 2 weeks. It depends sa review nila. And then, kung wala namang problema, guys, within 24 hours, monetize ka na. Katulad sa akin, guys, within 24 hours, naka-receive na ako ng email mula kay YouTube. Ito, guys. Tarang! Yes! Hanggang dito na lang, guys, ang aking video. At kung darating man ang aking Google AdSense, mag-usap ulit tayo. And maraming salamat sa pagbisita sa aking channel, NetSeal TV. Hope you don't forget to like, to subscribe, and share this video. Thank you and be good. God bless.